it's always special because you don't think when you are driving there are so many people behind you, so many people pushing and helping mentally to you, and for me it was great to see the factory, to see what is behind Audi family, and I've also with some distance from the race, from the rally now, you can enjoy a little bit more. You feel the people happy first, you feel the people as well proud of Audi, what we all have achieved, and very nice people, very nice ambient, happy to be here. I think this morning when I put the overall, probably it's going to be the last time, but I felt really proud, really happy, and really special about today. And as I say, with the perspective of a few months now after the victory, it feels great.